Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick unboxing of the new Orly Color Pass. It's a seasonal box, so you will be getting summer, winter, fall, and spring. And this one is for summer 2024, and it's called Scape, which normally, well, it's always 6 nail polishes. And it has a color over here, or it gives you an idea of what it is. And on the back, it's going to give you some ideas on how to do a type of nail art using the polishes and your bonus items, which is this right here. As you can see, it's really cute small nail art decals for your nails. You can either use them on your natural nails or fake nails, acrylic nails, however you want to use them. And those retail for $7.50. And then the next one is the extra nail polish that is given and retails for $11. And it's called Sour Time to Shine. That's a cute name, which is this right here. It's a very like toned down yellow. I feel like it has some black in it, and that's why it looks almost like a muted yellow. It's bright, but not that bright. And it's very, very pretty. And then of course down here, so in the photo here, it shows all of the colors, and on the back it shows the names. Let's see if I can get closer of the colors without the flash. There we go. So Take Flight, New Horizon, Sunny Side Up, Field of Wonder, Stratosphere, Indigo Skies. I butchered that. And let's take a look inside the box. It says on the box, which I think is really cute, discover the beauty of summer's ever-changing skies. And as well on the back, it's going to have the colors, their names, and if you want to read that, you can. And of course, what we've been waiting for, the 6 polishes. And I believe in the camera it looks a little bit brighter, but just imagine this, but a little bit of toned down. They're very beautiful colors. I think this is my favorite. This is like a hot pink reddish color. And this orange one, it reminds me of sherbet, like an orange ice cream. This green one. And what I'm like surprised is that this one here, it has like a pearlescent pinkish orangey color to the yellow, and this is the only one that's like that. Everything else is a cream. Hopefully the camera can capture that, but it does have pearlescent finish. This is a cream green. It reminds me like a cream green, right? But it sort of makes me feel like in the bottle these have a little bit of black tint to it, so it gives it that neutral bright color. I wonder how they transfer an actual, like in an actual nail once they dry. So those are right there, this being the lightest shade, a few dark ones, and then lighter shades. But this is the only one that has that pearlescent finish in it. And of course, the one that you get for free is the Orly Breathable. And this is like, they're more expensive than these here. These are going to be your regular lacquers, and this is going to be a 1-step. So you're supposed to be able to apply this and just walk away, a 1-step manicure. With this one, you can use a base coat and then a top coat, and of course, or a matte top coat. Imagine how this one must look. It probably looks beautiful. And so as you can see, 7 polishes in total. And your sticker. And of course, the little card. Normally I don't keep them in here in their little boxes. I'll take them out and put them in the stackable containers that I have. But I've run out of space, so they will go back in here, and then I'll try to find a place to store them. So, Scape card, stickers, and nail polish. I hope you enjoyed the video, and have a wonderful night. Take care.